Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another unboxing. As you can see, this is a very big and heavy box. This is my second time doing this unboxing, and what this is the Grove Collaborative. If you did not see my first unboxing of this is a cleaning supply subscription. And what I like about it is you basically go in online, you pick out the items you want to ship to you for the next month, and they ship to you. Easy peasy. And you get discounts on the items, and they're all like eco-friendly brands. So you'll get stuff like Miss Myers. Grove has their own brand. I'll have to open it. There's another one I get that's in here that I like really well for the bathrooms. But yeah. It takes the going to the store out of the cleaning supplies. But anyway, no, I don't have to go to the store for cleaning supplies, and I save money. And if you spend a certain amount, they always give you like extra free items. So this time I think I got 2 free items. And then on top of it, we get a link that we get to share with people. So if you sign up and use my link, I get $10 credit on my next box of cleaning supplies, and then you get a free $35 cleaning supply like gift, and it's gonna be like Ms. Myers and different items like that, which is amazing. So anyways, let me open this up, show you some of the items that I personally picked out. I'll show you what I got for free, and hopefully if you're interested, you'll sign up. But I like it a lot. I wish I would have signed up to this a long time ago. I really like the products, and I like that I get them for a discount. Because I was already using Miss Myers, and saving money on it is even better. I want to say I skipped. I was good on Miss Myers this month. I can't even remember what was on my list, to tell you the truth. It's about how my brain works. Ugh. Let me open this box. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got the box open, and I put it up on the couch. So we just got our standard packaging. Put that to the side. And let's see what I picked out this time. Were there any repeats? We shall see. Getting all the packaging out first. They package these really well because I guess they don't want anything to spill. But I've heard that, you know, it does happen, obviously, because you're getting cleaning supplies. Things will spill. Crap happens. But I've heard that their customer service is really good at shipping you out items right away. So, anyway, everything looks intact, though. All right. So, I got another set of the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. These are really good. All right. I got this item. This was a freebie that I got. Okay, for spending, I think that's like $40, $45. It's not much. But this was actually a freebie I got. It's called Rooted Beauty Purifying Facial Cleanser with white tea and calendula. That's a nice size freebie, guys. Like, that's what I like about this company. Like, you're getting a discount and then you get free stuff. Like, hello. Walmart ain't doing that for me. Alright, so here's the next item. So this I did get last time. This was another repeat. So the sponges were a repeat. This is a repeat. And this is the Cleaning Essentials set. Orange and rosemary is the scent. It's a 3-pack. It's an all-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a tub and tile cleaner. What I like about these, they have glass bottles that they sell at Grove, or you could just buy like a spray bottle at home or at the store to keep at home. But you spray these, like you take everything out of these and then fill up the bottle with water. And it's so that you keep recycling. You don't, this is a lot less plastic to throw away than it is for a whole bottle of cleaner every month. So you actually are wasting less. So I like that a lot. Plus, it smells really good. So that's 3 different types of cleaners in here, and it comes out way cheaper. All right. Then I fell in love with this. So this is the laundry detergent, and this is the other brand. It's called Method. That's what I couldn't think of. So it's Method laundry detergent. The scent that I get is ginger mango. Guys, this stuff, they sell it by itself, but there's also a duo, and I get the duo. And the duo comes with the scent booster. I don't know if you guys use these in your laundry, but I love scent boosters. Well, the scent booster is the same exact scent, which I've noticed that's hard to find at the grocery store or whatever store you shop at for your laundry detergent. So I like that it's ginger mango, ginger mango. So when my clothes come out now, they smell so freaking good. But this is a really big bottle, and I feel like I go through this faster. So what I did was I ordered this set, because I always use extra of these. I do it with the ones from the store. You don't need to. I just like really like good smelling clothes. But that's just me. I like to be extra. So I bought an extra one of the scent boosters, just so I don't run out. All right, then I repurchased the toilet cleaner. This is spearmint scented, which I told you guys before. I love the smell of like mint, spearmint, any type of mint. Like I like it as candles, lotion. So the fact that they had it as a cleaner, I was like very here for it. So this is what I'm cleaning my toilets with now. It works really well. So here's that guy. Also like how it's tilted, like, anyway, and none of it's expensive. Okay, then last time I got their bathroom cleaner that was also mint scented, but it was like a normal spray. And I saw this one this time. I was like, let me try this one. So this one's actually a foaming one, and I love the foaming ones normally. So I was like, I want to try this one, and that way I can pick and see which one I like better. So this is the foaming bathroom cleaner, and the scent is eucalyptus mint. And it removes soap scum, cleans mold, and mildew stains. So again, that one's for the bathroom. And it's mint. Love that. Okay. Then I got this guy, which is an all-purpose cleaner. And this is also by Method. I did not get this last time, so this is a new one to try out. It is an all-purpose, naturally derived surface cleaner, and the scent is Honey Crisp Apple. So it's supposed to cut grease and grime. So I really wanted to try this in my kitchen. So I figured what better time than like fall, because I've got pumpkin and I got apple last time in Miss Myers. I wanted to test this one compared to the Miss Myers apple scent and cleaner. So we'll see how this one compares. All right. Excuse me. Okay, then I bought this guy. I have a stand-up shower, which I don't think it matters. I think just having a bathroom shower in general. But I do have one of those stand-up showers that's like the glass going around. And there's a squeegee in there, but the squeegee has seen better days, honey. It needs to go. So when I saw that they sold their own squeegee, I was like, I need a new one. Mine is on its, I don't even want to say last leg. It's on its last toe. So this one has the suction cup. It's got the nice like wooden handle. It's a pivoting squeegee. Easy push to pivot head allows for slim storage. Hangs by handle loop and included suction cup, self-standing handle. Okay, so if I want, it'll just stand up. But anyways, I needed a new one, so I'm like, why not just get it from them? Boom, so I did. And this one's a lot nicer than the one I have now. And then this was another freebie they gave me. And this is also the last item in the box. So this says, paper towels be gone. It is a European dishcloth. So if you see like this type of material. And I think this one, I think they go by, I'm not sure yet. This is my second month. But I think Grove goes by like the time of the year. And so things like this will come out based on the time of year. So the next ones might be like a whole different theme. So this one's a fig. Again, I could be wrong. It might be a fig all year round. But anyways, this is what it looks like. So it has the figs. But to me, it looks very autumn. I'm trying to see. Okay, so there's 1, 2 in here. So it's a 2-pack. But these are kind of like, I forget what those are called. Kind of like is it like the squeegees? But where they're really good for cleaning up. And it's meant to reduce waste and using paper towels like over and over and over when you're doing a good cleanup. Or you could use these probably as a dishcloth, but I would use these for cleaning. I am very bad about using paper towels. Like, I can go through a whole roll when I'm sitting there cleaning the kitchen because I'm just like, I want to wipe everything down first with the soap, then I go back with water. And it's a lot of waste and pollution, so something like this is actually going to be good. And I can have one maybe for the soap and one for the water. So, I don't know. We'll see. But it was free, so why not? I like that I'll get to test it out. So, yeah, that's called the European dishcloth. Paper towels be gone. These durable and absorbent sponge cloths are perfect for mopping up any kind of mess. Simply pop them in the dishwasher to easily disinfect after use and make paper towel rolls a thing of the past. So you can even clean them in your dishwasher. Cool. Okay guys, so that was my review of Grove Collaborative and / my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm here for it. I love this. I think the subscription makes sense. It saves you money. And so again, if y'all want to sign up, please use my link that's in the description below. Not only will you save money on the products you will enjoy and love and that work really well, that are also economically friendly, but you get a free $35 kit. Can't beat it. So anyways, love you guys. Don't forget you can't spell original without Gina. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!